Spring is here in the Midwest United States, and like it or not, that means it's time to get your lawn tractor tuned up for the upcoming mowing season. Hopefully you've done or will do all the recommended annual maintenance like changing oil and gas filters, clean or change the air filter, check or replace spark plugs, sharpen your blades, etc., etc. To ensure a quality cut for your lawn, don't overlook leveling your blades after you've sharpened them. Chances are, if you've taken the time to maintain your lawn tractor properly every year, it's very possible that you're also someone that appreciates a nice looking lawn. Blades that are out of level can make a mess of your yard by leaving uneven cut lines on one side of the mowing path, not to mention possibly scalping the lawn in spots. For a perfectly even cut, you need to first inflate your tires to the recommended pressure outlined in your operating manual. Then get one of these leveling gauges. For our John Deere S130, I bought the John Deere leveling gauge. Place your tractor on a level surface with the ignition switch off and the key removed. Position the blade so that the blade ends are at the right and left side edges of the mowing deck. For this example, I'm setting the mowing height selector lever on the tractor at 3.5 inches. Now adjust the left and the right rear deck supports with a 15mm wrench or deep socket, while referencing the level gauge under the cutting edge of the blades. Match the mowing height of 3.5 inches that you set on your tractor. After you adjust the second side, go back to the first side that you adjusted to readjust if necessary. Next, position the blades from front to rear and check the blade height at the rear of the deck first. This should be close to 3.5 inches after adjusting the sides. Then check the height of the blades at the front of the deck and making the front adjustment at the front center deck hanger, and once again with a 15mm wrench or deep socket. Your final blade height in the front should be 1/8 to 1/4 inch lower than the height of the sides to avoid double cutting and possibly browning of the grass tips. Continue to check and readjust if necessary all 3 deck adjustments until you have a 3.5 inch blade height on the 2 sides and a 3.25 to 3 3/8 height in the front. Not only will you get a uniform cut, your mowing height will be accurate for adjusting to recommended mowing heights in different weather conditions, especially for extended hot and dry periods when you want to mow at the recommended mowing height for your particular type of grass. Check out these other videos on our John Deere S130 playlist on our DIY Boomers channel. Grease points on the John Deere S130 with a discussion on greasing the deck spindles. Comparing mulching blades used in conjunction with mulching plugs and mulching inserts. Maintaining your tractor using the Mojack 500 heavy-duty tractor lift. And converting the S130 easy oil change system to the conventional oil system. Now, here's that more comprehensive list of recommended annual maintenance for your lawn tractor. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.